The check engine light, or CEL, in your Nissan Sentra indicates a problem detected by the engine control unit, the ECU. Resetting the CEL without proper diagnosis can damage the ECU and erase its adaptive learnings, which may cause drivability problems like rough idling. As of 2025, avoid outdated methods like disconnecting the battery, which can harm the ECU. Instead, use an OBD2 scanner to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. This method safely resets the light without damaging the ECU. For select Nissan Sentra models, apps like My Nissan provide remote resets. However, professional diagnostics are recommended for newer 2020 and later models with advanced ECUs. Remember, the CEL is part of your vehicle's onboard diagnostics system. Ignoring it can mask emissions violations and lead to failed inspections. First, diagnose the issue using an OBD2 scanner to read DTCs. Then, connect the scanner to the OBD2 port under the dashboard, select Clear Codes, and reset. After resetting, drive the vehicle for 50 to 100 miles to allow the ECU to relearn. If the light returns, the problem persists. Resetting without fixing the underlying issue can lead to repeated failures and costly ECU repairs. Looking ahead, digital and app-based diagnostics are becoming more common, with integrated telematics and AI-assisted systems. However, increased regulatory scrutiny and stricter emissions standards mean that correct resets are crucial for environmental compliance and avoiding potential fines.